Good morning to everybody. I am Dr. Shitesh Chandra Vishwas. Welcome to my new video on pumpkin pumpkin cultivation on my balcony garden. You can see here that pumpkin plants have been raised from its seed, and now the plants are producing flowers and fruits on my balcony garden. You can see here now the age of the plants are near about 90 days. For this purpose we have placed a rack on our balcony and put the seeds in the soil. You can see here from the seeds the plants have been raised, and its branches are spreading over the grills of the balcony. You can see this is a local variety, but the plants are dwarf-type and well spreading. You can see in the meantime we have harvested some of its flowers and consumed as vegetables. You see that from the pumpkin flower we prepare bora and consume the delicious bora. Side by side its leaves and twigs are also consumed. Few days before we harvested some of the pumpkin twigs and leaves from another plant and consumed as vegetables. So it's a very good opportunity for the city dwellers to make a balcony garden, and in this way you can cultivate different types of vegetables like pumpkin, country bean, Indian spinach, sweet potato, kangkong, etc. Not only you will be able to consume vegetables from your balcony garden, it will also satisfy your aesthetic demand. So in this way you can raise different types of vegetables in your balcony garden. Thank you.